This can be a perfectly guilt-free and healthy alternative to the regular mango ice creams. This ice cream is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, which is perfect for the hot summer days. So let's get into the recipe. In a pan, take about 1.5 cup of milk and let the milk come to a boil. Meanwhile, let's prepare the other ingredients. In a bowl, take about 1/4 cup of cashews, almonds and 12 de-seeded dates. Here, the de-seeded dates act as natural sweeteners, whereas the almonds and cashews give a creamy texture to the ice cream. Then, add about half cup of full makana or fox nuts and half cup of rolled oats. These two ingredients will enhance both the nutrition value and the texture of the ice cream. Now the milk has come to a boil. Add about this 1.5 cup of milk to the nuts and dates mixture. Now let this soak for about 20 minutes, but make sure the milk is little hot enough. Now take 2 mangoes of any variety. Here I have chosen Alfonso mangoes because they have a rich creamy pulp with a non-fibrous texture and of course its unique sweetness and a delightful fragrance. So choose any variety of mangoes, but make sure that it is not having fibrous pulp because it does not give a creamy texture to the ice cream. Add the mango pulp of 2 mangoes into a blender jar. Then add the soaked mixture of oats, full makana, nuts and dates into the blender jar and blend until it is smooth and creamy in consistency. So see how creamy it has turned out to be. Choose any mold of your choice. Here I have taken a rectangular shaped glass dish and pour the ice cream mixture into the dish. Add few freshly chopped mango pieces into the ice cream mixture. Mix it gently. Then add some more mango pieces on top of the ice cream. Flatten this mixture gently with the help of a silicone spatula. Now take a cling film. Wrap it all along the borders of the dish and gently tap the cling film so that the surface of the cling film touches the ice cream and prevents the ice crystal formation. Now freeze this ice cream for about 5 to 6 hours. It's been about 6 hours and I'm removing the cling film here. Let the ice cream sit for about 15 minutes after taking it out from the refrigerator. Meanwhile, let's chop some nuts. Here I'm chopping almonds, cashews and pistachios. You might have noticed that this ice cream has a little brownish hue, which is due to the natural ingredients which we have added to the ice cream base. Now scoop out the ice cream, garnish it with some nuts and serve it. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Enjoy and subscribe for more.